Hey, I'm Sawyer. I wasn't born rich and never studied trading. I just started and never stopped. Now I make over $100,000 every week and own several villas and apartments around the world. I created a Telegram channel where I share everything for free. Training, practice and signals for any level. Join the community and message me. We will start your first trade together. False moves are part of the game. They appear strong but lack foundation. I filter them by watching speed. Fast but thin moves collapse fast. True direction has depth and stability. I wait for the market to prove its intent. Here we opened 3 sell trades again in the direction of the trend. We observed a MACD crossover from top to bottom and previously noted strong histogram volume on the MACD. Now we can see a new price high, and after this price pullback, I expect the movement to continue downward. The ADX moving averages also show a downward direction, with the negative DAI line moving upward while the ADX itself indicates weak trend strength. Trading is not just about copying signals, it's about understanding the logic behind every move. That's exactly what I teach in my free practical strategy session. You will learn how to trade properly, get daily signals, and join a real learning community in Telegram. Hit the link below and start your free session now. That's why it's better to stay with the main trend here. The entry wasn't ideal. Right after opening, the candle gave a small upward impulse, but it didn't affect the outcome. We caught the right movement before candle closure, and as expected, the trades closed successfully in profit.
Today, I waited 20 minutes for one entry. Level tested 3 times, volume confirmed the move. One candle, one entry, one clean result. The trade paid for the whole session. Waiting is not time wasted, it's time invested.
Watching how candles close gives me extra confirmation. Strong closes near highs or lows show commitment to direction. Weak closes usually warn me to stay away. I wait until commitment becomes visible, not implied. Clear closes simplify decision making. Here we will open sell trades following the downward movement. We will open position in this area on downtrend. The volatility is quite low in this section of price movement. That's why it's always better to trade with the trend. Let's review and reinforce the previous entries. We can note a moving average crossover, and the MACD histogram shows almost no volume, which indicates that the moment is weak, and it's better to open a sell trade here. A new local high has also formed in this area, so the price is expected to move downward. We have around 10 seconds left until the trades close, and as we can see, they end successfully in profit. Ending each session, I review reactions instead of profits. How I entered matters more than how much I earned. Process always outlives results. Mastery grows from discipline, and discipline creates long-term success. Trading might look easy on videos, but once you start, you realize it's a whole different game. That's why I give you a free practice session and personal guide to help you trade the right way. You will also get daily trading signals and real working strategies in my Telegram channel. Tap the link below and claim your free trading practice today.